Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking trout. I stumbled upon a YouTube video of a trout recipe once enjoyed by Mr. Charlie Chaplin. Yes, you heard it right. Charlie Chaplin. The recipe is very simple with little ingredients. It looked really delicious. And if it's good for Mr. Chaplin, it must be good, right? So let's give it a try. So there's really two parts to the recipe. The first part is grilling the trout. And then the second part is actually making the mushroom sauce that goes on top of the trout. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and set up this nano with the wood flame gas burner and use that as my setup for cooking the mushroom sauce. All right, so since this is all set up, let's go ahead and start chopping up some mushrooms. So we're going to use the Bushcraft 8 configuration on the Freestyle today. This should give us a good surface area for grilling the trout. So we're going to start off with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. This sure looks like a whole mess of mushrooms, but trust me, they're going to shrink. So the second ingredient that we're going to add is going to be a 3/4 cup of Riesling wine. So when I tasted the Riesling wine, it's a little bit sweet. So I'm kind of, on the fence on how this is going to taste. But, again, if it's good for Charlie Chaplin, it must be good, right? The third ingredient that we're going to add is going to be 1 cup of whipping cream. This is going to be really rich. Then we're going to add 1 full squeezed lemon. Alright, that's pretty much it for the sauce. We're just going to let it simmer and reduce down until it's nice and thick and creamy. Then we'll just do a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and that should be it for the sauce. It's a perfect fit. So this is perfect. Just the right consistency. Now for the finishing touches. Some parsley and salt and pepper. Man, look at that. Grill marks on a trout. Looks like a Louis Vuitton handbag. I think it's ready. Need to get this on the plate. Not as burnt as the other side, but it's definitely cooked. Look at that. Let's get it plated. I'm starving. Just a little more roughly chopped parsley should finish this off. Oh yeah, let's dig in. So you guys are probably wondering, what's the verdict on this one, huh? Well, I can tell you, the sweetness that came out from the wine really threw me off. If I had to do it again, I'd probably use a dry wine. But all in all, it was edible. The trout was perfect, and that's all that mattered. Does it beat trout and potatoes? Hell no. Trout and potatoes is going to be in my next video. Well, folks, thanks again for coming along this adventure with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure and smash that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching, and have a good burn.